What's up, everybody? People have been asking me for an example warm-up for bench, so let's get into it and show you guys how you can get ready for your bench press session. So starting off, I go with the arm bike. You want to do this for about 2 minutes counterclockwise and clockwise. So make sure if you're using this arm bike machine or whatever other machine you're using, that you're making sure that the resistance is high enough. So if you see me doing it, it looks a little bit easier. It's pretty high up actually. I've been doing this for a while, so it just looks a little easy. But it's make sure your resistance is where it should be for you. So this may look easy for me, but it's actually pretty high up. So this is just one example of how you start it off. And then next, I like to do some rotator cuff stuff. I'm going to not do this necessarily for a warm-up, but this is just an example of what you can do to make sure your shoulders and back and everything else is engaged before you bench press heavy weight. So, of course, you want to do external and internal rotation. That's important to make sure there aren't any differences between your right or left side when you start, lifting this type of weight. So you want to do it right and left side, internal and external. Again, from a weight standpoint, I think I do about 12.5 pounds. Well, with the cable rolls, that may be a little heavy for you, but 12.5 pounds is pretty much what I do. And then for these lat pull downs, I do probably about 22, maybe 25, close to 30 pounds each arm. My pull downs are just really strong, so I've been able to get that up over the last few years. Again, this is just a warm up, so your weight shouldn't be too heavy. You're gonna do high reps, so 3 sets, 15. Here you see me doing the side pull downs. Again, it's just a warm up, so again, you don't have to do too much weight. You just want to get your muscles warmed up and ready to lift. You want your fast twitch muscles, of course, to be engaged so you can get ready to lift that heavy weight. Again, make sure you do both sides whenever you're warming up, right and left, front and back. You want to make sure that you're doing all your warm-ups in proportion so one side is not stronger than the other. Here you go, the good old triceps pull downs. This is actually a decent amount of weight. My triceps are a little bit stronger, so it's moving a little fast, but it was decent weight on there. These are the Barbell Rows. My boy Dan showed me this, Dirty Dan. Yeah, so basically these are just poor form here, of course, but I would start out with at least a plate. Back in the day, I used to do 185 or 2 plates. When I was really getting into this, was 3 sets of 15, 3 sets of 10. But I mean, start out, you may not be able to do as much weight as I used to do. So that is just an example of how you can warm up to get the back engaged. Again, you want to be doing twice as many pulls as you're doing pushes. So twice as many pulls like this, or you can do an alternate. So you have dumbbells at your gym or wherever you're lifting at. Do single arm dumbbell rolls instead. Do some cable rolls. Whatever you got to do to make sure you're getting your back engaged. And again, this is poor form. Again, 135 is kind of lightweight, so I can do that. But make sure you have good form when you're lifting. Of course, everything I said is not medical advice. Here's a list of everything that I mentioned. Thank you for watching and have a good day.